Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Swipebox Mailer. Swipebox Mailer is going to be content to help you with your email swipes, your email content. Just before we look at this anymore, a reminder, this is an honest video. However, there will be a link in the description that will take you to the sales page. If you choose to purchase the product through that link, I will receive a commission. I do like commissions, but if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that despite having a link, I try my best every time. I give you my honest opinion to the best of my ability based on the knowledge that is available to me. So, I'm not going to give you a good review for a product that I don't think is good. I'm not going to give a bad review to a product that won't make me much money because I think, I'm going to tell you what I honestly think of the product. So with that in mind, this is Swipebox Mailer. Now, this is not software. This is not training. This is literally content. At least I don't recall seeing anything to... There's no video training or anything in this anyway. So what this is a product that's aimed at almost anybody who's got an email list. If there's a product that you've just picked up, if there's something you're trying to sell, if you're trying to drive traffic, if you've ever sat down and tried to write email copy and struggled with it, you are the type of person this product is aimed at. So what you're going to get are 3,978, not quite 4,000, of his sales letter swipes from multiple niches. Now, we're not going to watch the review video or the promo video here. This actually isn't a bad promo video because it at least shows you some of this. Now, the resolution on this is kind of rough. This is showing a Google Drive screen, but it shows a number of the folders. So we've got anti-aging swipes, Carpet Kings, Einstein, something, Biz Op, Bob Stupak, Irresistible, Christians with Cash, Co-writing Farm Team, Criminal Closers, Cosmetic Surgery Swipes, Financial Miscellaneous Financial Folders. Okay, so the idea is that there are a lot of these folders that have different different email content that's been written, and he's sharing those. So the idea is that if you've got product A, well, you wouldn't have product A. Let's say you've got product C, and it's, say, in the anti-aging category, you can probably take the email swipe from A that you've already got and just replace A with C, and suddenly you've got your own email copy written. This may not appeal to you. I'm not recommending it as a strategy. I'm also not telling you to avoid it as a strategy. Most products that release will have a tool section for JVs, and that usually involves email swipes. And a lot of email swipes, frankly, are not that original. I don't think the secret to a truly successful email campaign involves simply cutting, copying, pasting. But I do think that for some of you, especially if you're just starting out, it can be helpful. But if you're looking to really, if you want to write the kind of emails that people are eager to open, you're not going to get that in a copy-paste type of system. If you're just looking to promote products, then by all means. So you're going to get 2,000 headlines. You're going to get a list of hot openings, guarantees, price arguments, and irresistible offer templates that can boost your sales letter conversion. An 18-page step-by-step instruction on how to write your next $20,000 sales letter from scratch. A link to all these secret websites where he gets his best copywriting inspirations. And a 304+ page collection of marketing psychology books that have helped him to do over $10,000 in 2019. So that is what you are going to get with the product. Now, I will say, I don't know if the person, I don't know if the guys who are putting this product out are the same people who wrote the copy for the website. The website copy, actually we could do this. We could look at about a dozen sales pages and see how much of that is copied and pasted. Even stuff like this. Now this is actually doesn't look exactly the same as what I've seen, but you stare at your laptop for hours wondering what your headline will be, what you'll start your sales letter with. You know, this is actually reasonably well written. Okay. Most sales pages just involve a lot of copy paste. Not even just the copy, they actually involve a lot of copy and paste of entire elements. Okay. So I do wish, like I said, if I was going to make an assumption that the copy in the product itself was as good as the copy that's on the sales page, I would actually probably strongly recommend the product, because I think most of the copy on here is pretty well done. I don't know that though. So personally, I would find it helpful. Again, if this was mine, I would pull up even one of those sales letters, one of the ones that I wouldn't give away an A-lister, but I'd pull out something that's a solid B+, and I would put it up and I would watermark it so it can't easily be copied, and that would serve as a demonstration of the quality of emails that you can expect to find here. We have a $15 price. For the amount of content you're getting, that's really not a bad price. I would actually argue it's a pretty good price. There's only a couple of upsells on this. And I don't know anything about them other than to tell you that one of them, I think basically one of them is called Fix Mailer, and the other one is beta access to Fix Mailer. So I don't know exactly how that works, but I believe those were the two upsells that I remember seeing on the JV page. There was no additional information to these. That's basically the product. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee. This isn't going to be for everybody. I know not all of you are using emails. I know not all of you are looking for someone else to write content for you or supply content for you. I think this is a good product for you if you struggle with writing, and that could be that you're just not a creative writer. There's no shame in that. There's lots of things that creative writers aren't good at. No one is good equally at everything. So there's no shame in that. Could be that English is maybe not your first language and you're looking for a little bit of help with that. I've certainly seen sales pages where I wish somebody had gone and borrowed some pre-written sales content, because it would have read a lot better. You're further off to borrow something from somebody else that reads well than you are to write something yourself that has spelling and grammatical errors in it, because it does come across as being unprofessional and lacking as soon as we start to see those errors in there. So alternately, if you're somebody who's looking to begin writing sales content, if you want to be a copywriter and you want to sell your own email stuff, this isn't a PLR product, but it is giving you a lot of material that you can study from. And if we're honest, $15 for all of the stuff that's in here, all of the email sales letters, the headlines, the instructions on writing copy, the secret websites, the 304-page collection of marketing psychology. You're getting a lot there that you can study if you are looking to write copy yourself. So those, if any of those apply to you, or if you just have looked at this and went, ooh, that would simplify what I'm doing now so much, I'm going to recommend this. Like I said, I know this isn't going to be for everybody. I can't speak for the quality of the emails themselves, but to me, this, between the price, the content, and I would say this is a reasonably good. I actually like this sales page. This is not super flashy. It's got a lot of intelligent copy to it. I do honestly, I've seen pretty pages, but I do like the sales page. So I think that it represents a certain standard of quality in writing. Hopefully that carries through to the product itself. So that's a bit of a guarded review, I know, but that's the kind of, I don't like to look at you guys and say everybody should buy this or nobody should buy this, because that's normally not true. I hope that is helpful. That is Swipebox Mailer, and again, that will give you access to Fixbox Mailer or Fix Mailer, whatever it was called. Check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you guys back here soon.